Now, this is an amazing dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is now teaching us. He has shared the concept of the two types of ayahs and how we should focus on the ones that truly guide us. And if there are some mutashabihat, then yes, they are there. And there is a wisdom behind it as well. We believe in those as well. Now, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, this is a dua. So all the duas that appear in the Quran, it is a blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because we as human beings, we don't even know how to make dua, how to pray. And we learn it from the Holy Quran, and we learn it from the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So here, the dua that is being taught to us, Rabbana la tusir qulubana ba'da iza hadaytana wa hab lana min ladunka rahma. O our Lord, do not deviate our hearts after you have guided us, and grant for us from yourself mercy. Innaka antal wahhab, and indeed you are the bestower. You are the one who gives. This is an amazing dua, because the thing is, at times shaitan can give waswasa in our mind. Oh, mashallah, you are very well guided. You are born in a Muslim family. You are praying 5 times, mashallah, and you are also reading the Quran. Look at many people who are not even coming to the masjid, or they're not praying, and you are. And then there are things, these are the waswasas that can also misguide us. And for example, if you continue to seek knowledge, there is a point that comes and you don't understand it. Shaitan will put a waswasa in your mind, although you were guided and you believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but then there is some mutashabihat that came in front of you, and then shaitan put a waswasa in your mind. So you found a fault. Okay, this doesn't seem right. So maybe that you were believing all this way, that was all wrong as well, because this doesn't make sense to me, because I don't understand it, so I won't believe it. So these thoughts come, and they can take away a person who may have already received guidance. So we have to protect this gift of guidance, and the way to protect it is to pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We have to regularly pray for continuous guidance to protect our Iman. And this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can only give us. And we see this multiple times. A lot of messages can come to you. A lot of messages can come to me. My parents can tell me a lot of things. The masjid imam, I can listen to a khutbah. I can read the Quran myself, and I can read multiple tafasirs. But the guidance, the true guidance, which is I start accepting it with my heart and change my life accordingly, comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Which is why this is a very, very important dua, and I recommend you guys to even memorize it or repeat it multiple times. That we pray.
Sir, I have memorized.
Yes, Ahmed, go ahead.
I have memorized this dua.
You have memorized it. MashaAllah, MashaAllah, amazing. Please.
Me also.
Excellent, Umar, MashaAllah. So Alhamdulillah, thank you so much, guys, for sharing this. So please, guys, all of you try to memorize it. And now you also understand it. What are you asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? That please don't deviate our hearts. Once we have filled our hearts with Iman, different knowledge will continue to come to us. Different people will talk to us. Please keep us on the right path. And even the waswasa of shaitan will come to us. Please keep us on the right path. Please continue to give us guidance. With your mercy only, we will keep guided. And it is nothing, it is not in our control. So please provide us this. So this is an amazing dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaches us.